So, you're thinking about the IB Diploma Program, or maybe you're already in it. You've come to the right place. We're going to break down exactly what this whole journey is all about, from its big ideas right down to the skills you're going to carry with you for the rest of your life. Let's get into it.
Okay, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of subjects and essays, let's start with the big picture. Because the IB isn't just about what you know. It's really about who you become. The whole program is designed to help you become these things: a curious inquirer, a sharp thinker, a caring member of your community, and yeah, a risk-taker who isn't afraid of a challenge. This right here is the end goal.
Here's our game plan for this explainer. We'll start with that learner profile we just mentioned. Then we'll look at how the program is actually built. After that, we'll check out the tools you'll get, dive into the heart of the DP, and finish up with how all of this gets you ready for, well, pretty much anything.
All right, first up, the IB Learner Profile. You can think of this as the North Star for your entire IB journey. It's what guides everything.
This quote, it really gets to the core of it, doesn't it? It means your education, your late-night study sessions, all of it. It's all connected to something way bigger than just you. It's about becoming someone who can help build a better world. From day one, you can see this is about more than just acing a test.
So, we've covered the why. Now let's get into the what. This is the DP program model, which is basically the blueprint for your entire education for the next 2 years.
To keep it simple, the whole diploma program is really made of two big parts that work together. You've got your subjects on one hand, and then you have something called the core, which is the glue that holds everything together. Let's take a closer look at what's in each one.
And here is that blueprint in action. So on the left, you pick 6 subjects, one from each of these groups. And the reason for this is to give you a really broad set of skills, to stop you from specializing too early. You get to be both a scientist and an artist. Then, on the right, you have the DP core, connecting it all. These 3 things are mandatory, and they're what make the program so unique.
We've got the why and the what. So, now for the how. The IB is famous for teaching you how to learn, not just what to learn. And this section is all about the tools you're going to get for your toolbox.
The official name for this is Approaches to Learning, or ATL. Look, don't let the jargon throw you off. It's a fancy way of saying learning how to learn. Instead of just sitting there and absorbing information, the IBTP teaches you to be proactive, how to ask the right questions, how to stick with a problem, and how to actually manage your own learning.
These skills are broken down into 5 big categories. And the best part is, they're not taught in some separate, boring class. They're woven into all of your subjects. You're building your thinking skills in biology, your communication skills in math, your social skills in group projects, all of it, all the time. These are the skills that are going to prepare you for anything.
Okay, let's zoom in on the part that makes the diploma program unlike anything else out there. This isn't just a checklist of things to do. This is the absolute heart of the program. First is Theory of Knowledge, or TOK. This course is going to mess with your head in the best possible way. It's not about memorizing facts, it's about asking, how do we know things? It makes you step back and ask this one huge question: how do you really know what you claim to know? It's a wild ride.
Next up, the extended essay. You will write a 4,000-word research paper on any topic you want. Yeah, 4,000. It's basically a university-level paper before you even get to university. It's a massive challenge for sure, but the payoff is that you become a genuine expert in something you're passionate about.
And finally, we have CAS. That's Creativity, Activity, and Service. This is the part of the IB that guarantees your education doesn't stop at the classroom door. You have to get involved in creative projects, do something active, and volunteer in your community. The goal is simple, but it's so important: to educate the whole person.
Okay, so let's tie all of this together. Why does any of this matter? Because every single piece of the IB is designed with one goal in mind: to get you ready for the world.
I mean, just think about what colleges and employers are actually looking for. Study after study shows they want these core skills: great communication, critical thinking, teamwork. Does that sound familiar? It should. These are the exact skills that are baked into the DNA of the IB Diploma Program, from your classes to the core to those ATL skills. And this focus on developing you as a whole person, it's been there since day one. The very first IB Director General said the goal was to help you understand your world, change it for the better, and, this is my favorite part, to enjoy it. It's about setting you up for a life that's not just successful, but also fulfilling.
So there you have it, the IB Diploma Program.
It's a challenging, well-rounded, and seriously rewarding blueprint for your education. It gives you the structure, it gives you the tools, and it gives you the mission. So the only question left, and it's the most exciting one, is what will you build with it?